Hello, I'm Poppy. This is Poppy's Workshop's official entry into Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop's 2019 toolmaking competition. The videos you'll be seeing in this presentation will be made by the computer that I'm looking at. Don't want to poke you in the eye. It's a cheap Acer. I will also be using the shop-made POV cam. And over here, my Fuji digital for the stills and the two 20-second video clips of my entry. Okay, now overview. If you recognize this as a shear line compound with a strange block here on the front and a modification to the hand wheel, that's what it is. I was obligated to manufacture this block here so I could put a standard 1/4-inch tool on center when I was using this, and my lathe was not set up with riser blocks. If you see, the tool is lower than where Shearline put the slot for clamping a tool, and my block sticks off in front of the compound so I can get down low enough. Tap 1032, and here also tapped. Set screws, because I'm not going to be always using these throwaway carbides. I have some 1/4-inch high speeds that I'm rather fond of. I've had them a while. Screw from the bottom to adjust up as I sharpen the high speed. As you see, I have some space here above the standard carbide 1/4-inch. I left myself plenty of meat in case I want to mill off a little bit more sealing room for my tool if it becomes necessary. '6061 T6. I bought it in 1x1 by 12-inch long piece from a seller on eBay. I loved machining it. It cuts nice. Why am I entering? Well, Emma, I was watching your update this morning. You said there were 2 entries, and you were saying somebody else has got to enter. And since I'm a YouTube poster with 1 subscriber, my daughter-in-law no less, I'm going to record a special one for her after this. Anyway, so in the spirit of fun, having fun, I mean, with only two competitors, I mean, that can magnify my humiliation by not winning so gigantically that it'll be great. Part of my philosophy for posting to the tube is I'm waiting for an email, or even better, mention in one of his videos that Adam Booth fell out his easy chair because he laughed at something I said. I mean, I want him to fall out the easy chair because he's laughing so hard. Anything else 2 subscribers? Hey, that's gravy. Okay, I'm going to go to the POV cam now and look at my entry with it. Be back. Capture. Hi, I'm back. This is the POV cam portion of my official entry into the 2019 toolmaking competition. Here we go. Oh, who's that I'm watching? Competition update and thread cutting. Here it is. Shear line compound slide. Nicely made, pretty. Unfortunately, a standard 1/4 inch tool when put here is way above center. This standard tool is now on center. 6061 T6, 1032, 1032. Adjustment for when I've got high speeds in here that I like and I keep on honing and sharpening. 2 set screws. Instead of a rocker or a sliding block, 2 screws. I'm happy with it. I am. I'm proud of it. Dinged corners and all the mistakes I made producing this. I'm proud of it. And if all this gets is the judges of this competition have to look at my videos and somebody laughs, I'm ahead of the game. Hi. This is what my machine sees. That's the little laser on the webcam. And these are just a cheap pair of sunglass frames that I mounted it on. Yeah. Competition update and thread cutting attachment progress. 12 hours ago. This is April 23rd? Or is it 24th? This is Tuesday. Thursday is the 25th. So this has got to be like the 23rd. Hey, my wetware's drying out here in California. It's hot already. If I looked outside, well, you see that mountain on the monitor there behind that house over there? 2 years in a row that mountainside burned. That mountainside burns a lot. Anyway, it's the glaciers are melting here. Down in Barstow, the hell's gonna freeze over, I guess. Hello, kitty. Well, I'm gonna go off camera now, so get comfortable.